Practice Dell NetWorker Deploy 2023 D-NWR-DY-23 Real questions for best preparation. 1. What is a benefit of using vendor-specific API during a Dell EMC NetWorker module backup? A. Online backups can be used. B. Save set recovery is supported. C. Offline backups can be used. D. Persistent snapshots are supported. Answer: A. 2. An EMC NetWorker customer wants to clone save sets from an EMC disk library, EDL, to a physical tape library. The customer requires full catalog tracking with minimum SAN utilization. Which solution best satisfies these requirements? A. Configure the backup server to perform the clone operation. B. Configure the embedded storage node to handle the clone data flow. C. Set up a second data zone with local devices dedicated to cloning. D. Use the auto-archive feature on the EDL. Answer: B. 3. An EMC NetWorker customer wants to exclude all .jpg files from backups for all Solaris hosts. Backups are initiated from both the client and server. How should this be enforced? A. Client-side directive. B. AES directive. C. Networker user local directive. D. Server-side directive. Answer: A. 4. A company recently deployed workloads in Amazon Web Services, AWS, and preferred to use Dell EMC NetWorker for unified backup and recovery. The system administrator needs to deploy a virtual CloudBoost appliance in VMware. What needs to be done prior to the deployment? A. Download the OVA file and make it accessible from the computer. B. Ensure that the proper EC2 instance type is selected and configured. C. Ensure that CloudBoost AMI is available in AWS Marketplace. D. Enter the AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key. Answer: A. 5. What is recommended when configuring EMC NetWorker module clients? A. Assign all module clients to the same group and pool. B. Assign all module clients to the same group and schedule. C. Use the same group for application and file system backups of module clients. D. Use the same pool for application and file system backups of module clients. Answer: A. 6. In a Dell EMC NetWorker environment, the daily scheduled backup was started. However, the backup failed without mounting the device. What is a possible reason for the failure? A. Volumes labeled in the required pool are appendable. B. Protection group is not selected on the pool. C. Devices do not have volumes that match the pool required by the backup request. D. Tape devices attached to the networker server are showing recyclable. Answer: D. 7. In a Dell EMC NetWorker environment, an administrator is planning a backup strategy for both traditional and module backups. What should be considered to avoid backing up the same data twice? A. Exclude database or application data from file system backups. B. Schedule backups during low-performance demands on the application server. C. Ensure file system and database backups for the same client run at the same time. D. Configure one workflow for both database and application data. Answer: A. 8. A backup administrator is protecting a VMware environment with Dell EMC Networker and data domain systems. Which component serves as the data mover of the virtual machine backup data between the VMware data store and data domain system? A. Networker storage node. B. Data domain system manager. C. VMware vSphere. D. Networker vProxy appliance. Answer: D. 9. What is a characteristic of a Dell EMC Networker online database backup? A. Uses a vendor-specific API to extract data. B. Shuts down the database before backing up the data. C. Used only in an active, passive environment. D. Copies the data to a temporary location before backup. Answer: A. 10. Which methods can you use to display a list of unlabeled tape volumes in EMC Networker? A. EMC Networker Administration Devices window only. B. Info and EMC Networker Administration Devices view. C. EMC Networker Administration Media view only. D. Info and EMC Networker Administration Media window only. Answer: A.